Hello, my name is Imad Mujawar. I am a software engineer from Cloud Create at Open Telecom Cloud. Today, I will show you how to deploy a self-managed OpenShift on Open Telecom Cloud with one click button. It is very easy, no cloud expertise required. Step 1. Log in to Cloud Create. Step 2. Select the OpenShift template and quick deploy. Step 3. In the setup configuration, enter the base domain. This is the domain name you will use to access the OpenShift console after deployment. Specify the pull secret register on Red Hat. Go to the section Downloads, Tokens, copy the pull secret and paste it here. Step 5. Enter your OS password from OTC. This is the same password you logged in to Cloud Create previously. If you want SSH access, paste your public SSH key. Also, set the number of worker nodes, CPUs, and memory, with 2 workers each with at least 4 vCPUs and 16 GB RAM. Step 6. Click Deploy and the deployment will create compute resources in about 2 minutes and the OpenShift setup will take around 30 minutes. Step 7. After the deployment completes, on the OTC console you can see a DNS public zone with your base domain is created. We will use this domain to access the OpenShift console. Add the name servers of OTC on your machine so that the base domain can be resolved on your machine. Then copy the console URL to your browser and access the OpenShift console. You can use the username and password from the deployment outputs to log in the OpenShift console. Step 9. Finally, you can SSH to the Bastion host and check that all nodes and cluster operators are ready. Done. You now have a working OpenShift cluster on OTC using Cloud Create's premade template.